Hey guys and girls, in this video, we're going to take a look at the best personal blenders. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion that I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the personal blenders in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best personal blenders on the market right now. Coming at number 8, we've got the Breville Boss To Go Sport. Though undoubtedly more expensive than other personal blenders on this list, this sleek option by Breville has both the aesthetic and name brand appeal that may just convince you to make the splurge. The purchase is further justified by a 1,000 watt motor that's only incrementally less powerful than the beloved and well-tested full-size version the brand offers. This model is also extremely portable thanks to 2 included cups that fit snugly in cup holders and feature a unique finger hole meant to make carrying easier. And we can't forget to mention the super tight seal that locks liquids inside, even if you toss the whole thing in your bag in a hurry. Coming at number 7, Ninja NutriPro. If you rely on the nutrition you get from green smoothies each morning, try this personal blender, which has tough as nails blades that work to extract hidden nutrition from fruits and veggies by blending whole fruits and vegetables, including proportions like rinds, peels, and seeds, though we recommend de-seeding first. Washing is simple. Either pop the cups in the dishwasher or fill to the max fill line with warm water and a drop of dish detergent, then pulse a few times. Number 6, Cuisine Art CP300 Personal Blender. Though a hair bigger than other personal blenders, this machine is still compact enough to be included in this category. In tests, it was very good at grinding coffee beans and blending fruit smoothies. And if you're constantly whirling up smoothies or regularly serving more than 1 or 2 people, the Cuisine Art is a great upgrade to other personal blenders. It comes with a 32-ounce jar, complete with measurement markings on the side to make those bigger servings. You'll also get 4 16-ounce portable cups with tight-fitting lids, so each person can grab theirs and go, or create their own personal smoothie without the need to wash anything but the blade between users. Coming in at number 5, Black & Decker Fusion Blade Personal Blender. In tests, this high-powered personal blender received a nearly perfect score in performance, effectively grinding coarse coffee beans and blending smooth and thick smoothies, milkshakes, and margaritas. It was also incredibly easy to use, checking off all the boxes in convenience. The manual is clear and concise. The jar is easy for both righties and lefties to maneuver, and has a full dishwasher-safe jar. Another huge bonus, though exceptionally powerful, the motor was one of the quietest we tested. Great for early risers who don't want to wake up roommates or family members. Coming at number 4, NutriBullet Pro Plus Personal Blender. This small but mighty personal blender has enough impressive 1,200 wattage that whirls even tough leafy greens into liquid smoothies. It also comes with a blender jar and a pulse function that's especially helpful for shaking up ingredients to create an even blend. It's also key to tackling small meal prep tasks you might otherwise need a big, bulky food processor for. The problem? When it comes to frozen foods like fruit or ice, testers had trouble achieving a smooth consistency. Number 3, Magic Bullet Blender. This hard-working machine does more than whirl smoothies. It also chops, mixes, whips, and grinds for maximum versatility. And because the 11-piece set comes with an impressive array of extras, like 3 blender cups, 1 with a convenient carrying handle, and multiple lids, you can make full use of functions without having to wash or transfer any chopped goods to other storage containers. While the bullet itself doesn't take up much counter space, testers lamented the extra storage required for all of the accessories. Coming at number 2, Hamilton Beach Personal Creations Blender. Though the most affordable pick on this list by more than a few dollars, this personal blender holds its own. In tests, the 175-watt motor was able to make a super smooth and creamy milkshake, but was less effective when faced with firm foods, such as coffee beans or ice cubes. Marking on the cup are extra helpful for quick and easy prep, as there's no need to dirty any additional measuring cups or spoons in the process. The 14-ounce cup is easy to transport too, thanks to a tapered design that fits well in the cup holders. As a bonus, the cord wraps tightly around the base for easy storage. Number 1. Oster My Blend. When it comes to making single-serve smoothies and protein shakes, you can't beat the Oster My Blend personal blender. Everything, fruit, ice, veggies, and more can be blended directly in the sports bottle, so there's no excess of dishes. Despite a lower wattage, in tests, the machine received a perfect score for grinding whole coffee beans and a great score for preparing a thick frozen margarita. Just don't expect the 250-watt machine to tackle tougher foods like leafy greens. Simply fill the jar, twist on to blend, then replace the blade with the portable lid. You don't have to stress about tossing the whole thing in your bag either. The tight-fitting lid has a strong seal that won't leak even when turned upside down. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best personal blenders. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments, what is your favorite one? And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.